welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm very excited because finally after so long I am filming a makeup tutorial. Yay! And a few days back I asked you guys on my Instagram that what videos you want me to do for my YouTube channel, and a couple of you guys wanted me to do smoky eyes. And then I also came across ideas where you wanted to see a wearable smoky eye, not super glam. So I was like, yes, I had been doing glam smoky eyes and stuff like that, so let's do a wearable smoky eye. So yeah, that is the makeup look that we will be achieving today in this video. And if you want to learn how I achieved a wearable smoky eye, then you need to keep on watching. And as you know the drill, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, share my channel with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And with that all being said, let's jump into a voiceover tutorial. That's it. Let's go. So firstly, I'm starting up with the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette with this small blending brush from Morphe. I'm mixing these two colors to make a little bit of crease. So for a beginner, I would suggest you guys to make a crease so that you know where to start your smoky eye from. Now using Sephora's the black pencil, you can use any black pencil that you like. I'm gonna put like a very thick liner, and this is very easy, and this can be messy, that's all right. So now since I don't have a black eyeshadow in this palette, it was broken, so I'm using Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'll be using the black shade from that palette. So now I'm just kind of setting the pencil in and smudging it a little bit with this brush right here, but mainly I am powdering it and mattifying the pencil, and then we'll start the blending game. So for smoky eyes, it's all about good blending. Now I'm using the same brush. I'm taking a little more of the black so that I can blend the black on the liner, also take it a little bit on top till my crease. So this can take a little bit of time. You need to take your time. You need to blend, build, and you need to just go back and forth till you achieve what you want. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just blending the edges and everything of that sort. Now once I am satisfied with that, I'm going to be using this brown shade from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm gonna blend the edges of the black to smoke it out and to create a gradient ombre effect. So taking a more lighter brown, doing the same thing to create the ashy smoked out effect. So yeah, you can always go back and forth with the colors if you think that, you know, it's not perfect. So yeah, I'm using my fingers to clean the edges. You can use a brush finger, anything you like. Now I'm taking like a very nice bone kind of shade, and I'm gonna put it all over the brow bone and my transition area so that everything is brightened up and, you know, it looks clean. Now using the same Sephora pencil, I'm tight lining my eyes and a little bit on my lower waterline as well. Later I'll be using this Morphe brush, and I'm going to be using the brown and the black shade together to smoke out my lower lash line, and that's all that we'll be doing for the lower lashes. Now I'm taking this pencil brush. I'm going to take this beautiful shade from the same Soft Glam palette. I'm going to highlight my inner corners, and I will be highlighting my brow bone. But since this is a matte smoky eye, I went on with more like a matte look. So I am highlighting, I am using the shimmer shade, but I'm using my finger to kind of blend it so that I want the brightness. I want my eyes to be super open, my brows to be very enhanced, but I don't want the shimmer to show up a lot. So I am putting it and I'm, you know, blending it. So it's like all about building and blending. Now I'm using Sara Lee Cosmetics lashes in the style Love Struck. I love these lashes. And yes, I did use Sephora's mascara off camera. And we're done with this look. Okay guys, so we are done with this look, and I hope आपको ये look पसंद आया हो, and I personally really like it. Smoky eyes they will look a little weird in the start, but if you do it the right way, तो वो बहुत अच्छे से हो जाती हैं। और फॉर अ बिगनर स्मोकी आइज़ आपको डिफ़िकल्ट लग सकती हैं, लेकिन वंस यू प्रैक्टिस इट एंड वंस यू गेट अ हैंग ऑफ इट तो आपको बहुत इंजॉय करेंगे आप स्मोकी आइज़ करना, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट इट इज़ टू टफ। होप एज आई सेड आपको लुक अच्छा लगा हो, आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो। आप लोग की रिक्वेस्ट पे मैंने एक वेयरेबल स्मोकी आई की है। दिस इज़ वेयरेबल फॉर मी। आई डोंट नो आप लोगों को ये क्या लगे, लेकिन आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट इट इज़ सुपर ग्लैम। आप थोड़ी सी लाइट लैशेस करके इसे कैरी कर सकते हैं। और अगर आपको ये अभी भी थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा बोल्ड या ग्लैम लगती हैं तो आप ब्लैक की जो क्वांटिटी है वो कम रख सकते हैं। सो आई होप आपको ये ट्यूटोरियल हेल्पफुल लगा, आई होप आपको लुक अच्छा लगा हो, आई होप आपने कुछ सीखा हो। एंड प्लीज़ लेट मी नो एनी ऑफ योर रिक्वेस्ट एंड ऑल द फीडबैक इन द कमेंट्स डाउन बिलो। And that is it with this video. Don't forget to like my video, share my video and my channel with your friends and family. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Help me grow. I want your support and your love to grow this channel. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो. I will be back with another video very soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. I love you guys. Bye bye.